You asked, how to divide 7,800 by 5 using the long division method. 7 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Bring down 8, making 28. 28 divided by 5 equals 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. 28 minus 25 equals 3. Bring down 0, making 30. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. 6 times 5 equals 30. 30 minus 30 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 5 equals 0. 0 times 5 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1560.